Hello, konnichiwa, hola, wagwan my Ari fam. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you so much for all my family members. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can see whenever I post. You can be the first one to comment, you can be the first one to like and share with your friends. Tell your friends to tell a friend and to tell a friend. Okay, so we're doing the KFC challenge. I decided that it's not gonna be just blood related family experiences.
The community.
Yes, promoting brand Jamaica. Let's see if it will beat me. I'm not sure if it's a foodie, but we will sure find out. So I will put his link in the description, and please go and check if he won or if he did better than I did, or if he is just a sore loser.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome to Jamaican Insider. So today we're going to make a video that is somewhat different from our regular videos. We are going to make a video in conjunction with our good friends in Japan, our big Arif family.
Going social distancing. Oh, I should be here. They don't have a juice fountain.
ただいまメンテナンス中です。ただいまメンテナンス中です。
It's a strategy to say no ice because you want them to fill the cup, but in Japan, no ice, you get the same amount. So it's up to you. Yep, they're not afraid to have the quarter the cup. Quite 3/4. It's a kernel outside. What am I talking about? This is the menu. Jamaican Insider to buy a KFC meal, and let's try to eat it within 2 minutes. Let's see who is the real foodie around here. Initially I was thinking that we could do the sandwich because he likes zinger, but KFC sandwich is this in Japan. So he's gonna do the zinger and I'm gonna do this plus 1 piece of chicken because this sandwich is small. And this is a chicken, and fries, and a cold pie. It's cold, but it tastes good. It's cold, but it's nice. So of course I didn't remember to ask for ketchup because KFC in Japan you have to ask for it. Unlike in Jamaica, they know they must put ketchup in your box. Don't play with it. Okay. Anyways, hungry. It's not KFC is not chicken and my mouth. Lip is lip gloss. But I from that one, my lips are shine. So let's get the box ready. I'm gonna pour my fries out. Put some ketchup on it because I love my fries with ketchup. Oh, you know, on the powder ketchup on it. Okay, that's enough. I also put my chicken in to get some ketchup on it. And I'm gonna unwrap my sandwich. So the sandwich smell, I like this one because it reminds me of barbecue. Yep, dead blend barbecue here. So I'm gonna try to finish this meal within 2 minutes. My stopwatch is right here. God is good, God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen. And it has started. Oh God, what minute choke? No drinks actually. One minute to go. Exclude the chicken, just the sandwich and the fries. The chicken not gonna work. That's what I have left. 1, 2, 3, 5 pieces of fries. So let's change the challenge in the middle of the challenge. Sandwich and fries. Too hard for the chicken. Yeah. So that's what I had half of the sandwich. Let's see what Jamaican Insider will do.
Keep on drying my mind, drying back and listen to me now, guide my mind, and my neck comes spend.
Finish my sandwich. I eat with not food in my mouth. Sorry, this is a food video. I'm not sure. Let's see which KFC can be had in 2 minutes. KFC in Japan or Jamaica?
Just as always, very delicious.
Stick and stay. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below and tell me how you think I did. For a foodie, how do you think I did? Actually, really. For a foodie, how do you think I did? I don't think I did a good job. It's my first challenge though, so I'm not gonna be hard on myself. Some marked differences between KFC in Jamaica versus Japan. One, Jamaicans call it KFC, the kids say KFC. Japanese call it Kentucky. Jamaican KFC is usually crowded like throughout the day and at most, if not all, the branches, especially on a weekend. This was filmed on a weekend and this is the average crowd that you will see. There are other branches that feature drive-through and have more seating, better seating arrangements, more space. So this is just one branch. In Japan, they eat KFC on Christmas Day. In Jamaica, that's a no. We have to cook a Christmas dinner, gungo rice and peas, sorrel, ham. Come on. Actually, they do not sell barbecue chicken, and the spicy chicken is seasonal, which was really weird to me. They tailor their taste according to the people, of course. KFC in Japan tastes good, but you know Jamaica KFC is the best. Yeah, if you disagree, let me know in the comment section. Just like everything else in the world, Jamaica to the world. I'm gonna finish my sandwich now, so I'll see you later. Boom bang, I'm out.